Hello guys, welcome to the fifth video of our Python playlist. And in this video, we will be implementing further conditional statements in Python. So let me open my Python idle. The examples we will be going to discuss in this video is a calculator and cricket scoring. So let me take a variable for score, and we have to take an input from the user that please enter the previous score, right? And bracket close. Now, we want the user b underscore score is a variable that the user will enter how much score has been done in the specific ball. So for example, please enter, enter 1 for single. Let me change from double quotations to 3 single quotes. Enter 1 for single, enter 2 for double, enter 3 for triple, enter 4 for 4, enter 6 for 6. So if the b underscore score equals 1, then what we should do, and we should implement the score by 1. Now there are multiple ways to write this. What are they? Let me write L is the score equal to, then score plus equal to. Plus equal to. Basically, score plus equal to mean that score is equal to score plus 2. And another way to solve it is, I should write L again. The score equal 3, then we can write score plus equal b underscore score, or another way to write is score is equal to score plus b underscore score. And the last thing is, and here what should we do is that it is fine. I must save it and I must write conditional statements part 2. So let me print the score after implement. So print score colon comma score. Now we have to save this file again and I have to run the code. So please enter the previous score. Let's say the score is 123. Now if a person takes a single, this means we have to write 1. So the score is 124. Same as if I run this again and the previous score was 156 and I enter 6 over here. So the score is 162. So here I should write 4 and here it should be enter so that the input is on the next line. If I write 154 over here and enter 6, so now this 6 is on the next line. Let me change it to 3. So 157 is the score. So now another example is that we are going to discuss a calculator. So this will not be a scientific calculator. So we have to take two variables. Now a is equal to integer input, enter first number, and b is equal to integer input, enter second number. Alright, so instead of integer now, we have to take string input. In Python, there is no character data type. I should write b over here, and I should write op over here. It's mean the operator. So if I enter plus over here, this means for addition, for add. If I enter minus over here, this means subtract. And if I enter static over here, this means product. And enter / for divide. And enter a for absolute. And enter modulus for remainder. Basically, in other programming languages, the divide symbol means that we divide a number with the second number. For example, a is divided by b, and the quotient is returned. In Python, basically, the complete division answer is given. For example, 37 divided by 6 is, in other languages, it is 6, but in Python, it is 6.1, unlimited 6.7. Another thing that absolute is, the absolute, basically, whenever we enter a negative number, the absolute function changes into positive. How is this so? Basically, it gives the distance from the origin, and distance cannot mean negative. For example, -3 is a number, and so the distance of -3 from 0 is 3, but in negative direction. So because it is a distance, so that's why the absolute function turns it into a positive number. So basically, I have to do Control H over here. I have to find b underscore score and replace it with O. And if I do replace all, so you can see that every of the b underscore score is changed to O, means operator. So I have to write single quotations and plus, single quotations and minus, and single quotations and multiply, single quotations divide, single quotations absolute, and last but not the least, single quotation modulus. What we will do? We have to do print a plus b. I must copy this. Print a minus b. Print a multiplied by b. Print a divided by b. Now I must the absolute of a multiplied by b. Okay, and I think the brackets are fine. And this here I will be doing a modulus b. So if I run this now and I enter print answer comma end is equal to so basically when I will run this now, I enter the first number 1, 2, 3. I enter the second number -2. And if I say I have to multiply, the answer will be -246. Answer is -246. And if I want to take the absolute of that, 1, 2, 3 -2, and for absolute I have to write A. So the answer is 246. So basically 123 was supposed to be multiplied with -2. That was my thinking, that I must take product of A and B first and then take the absolute. So now we have to see whether it is doing correct addition or subtraction or not. So if I do 123 and I enter -340, so because it is A minus B, so I should do minus over here, and now the sum must be 463. So the answer is 463. Now let me show you the division one. Let me run that again. And if I do 140 and divided by, so I have to write the division sign now. So you can see 17.5 is the answer. In other programming languages, the answer would be 17. And the last thing that I must tell you guys, the use of modulus. So the modulus is that 124 is a number, 125 is a number. We have to take the modulus with the base value 2. So basically what will happen, it will divide the number by 2 and the remainder it will get will be given to us with the help of modulus. So the use of modulus is also this, that we divide a number by 2, the remainder we get is given by the modulus. So the sign of modulus is percentage, and here you go, the answer is 1. So basically 2 times 62 is 124 and the remainder is 1. So I hope you guys got further concepts of the conditional statements. See you guys until the next video. Take care. Goodbye.